Here are a few ideas that I thought of that might make life easier for iPhone users. First one, let the users know how many apps are running in the background, because, you know, when when I look at my phone, I always have so many apps running in the background. It would be really nice if there was a, just a number up there somewhere, right beside that 3G thing over there, that tells you how many apps you're running in the background. Bonus points if it actually, changes color. It turns red if a lot of memory is being used, and quitting apps will, speed up your phone. Number two, just like the airplane mode, I'd like to have a sleep mode, because I like having my, I like having my battery charged up, at least, when I wake up. So what I usually do is I turn off your Wi-Fi, I turn off the cellular data, and I turn off 3G, all that stuff. It would be really nice to have one switch somewhere in the settings that just says sleep mode on, just like the airplane mode. And what it does is it turns off everything, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, wireless, all that stuff, but it leaves the phone capabilities on, because I want to receive a phone call just in case of emergencies, or if somebody drunk needs a ride home. What else was I thinking about that? Yeah, I guess that's it. And if you turn that switch, it actually turns up the volume of your iPhone, because I went to sleep a few times and when my ringer was down to the lowest possible, and the alarm hardly woke me up. Good thing that it vibrates and it's on the table. But anyway, number three, car mode. Now this one's a little bit complicated. I sure hope I can get through this quickly. It'd be nice if you get an auto response from text messages that says, like, if somebody texts me, it's gonna say, I am driving right now and I can't answer your text message. Sorry. I'll answer it when I have the time. Bonus points if you can actually send your trip time, the remaining trip time, because I assume that you use the Maps application, and the Maps application, the GPS knows where you are and how long it'll be until you get there. It'd be nice to be able to send that text message automatically to the person on the other side. Like, let's just say I'm going to my brother's house or something, and he texts me saying, hey, when are you going to be here? He gets an automatic response saying, I can't answer the text right now. I will be there in, my ETA is 10 minutes, whatever, so something like that. But the key is only having the auto response triggered when the person you're going to, because, it's set up on the maps, it knows the contact address, the contact information. It only triggers it when that person calls you. So, I don't want my boss texting me and, getting a response back saying, I'll be there in 10 minutes. That doesn't make sense. Again, it'll be turned on in the settings, and it will detect if you, it'd be nice if it automatically turns on when you're traveling faster than 20 kilometers an hour or 30 kilometers an hour. And it'd be nice if you can actually, if it actually turns on when it connects to your car's Bluetooth, because cars have that nowadays. And yeah, I guess. And as a side note, the oleophobic screen on your iDevice, your iPhone or your iPad, the thing that prevents fingerprints, as you can see right here, that actually wears out over time. If you read the manuals, which I do, I know, who reads manuals? I should just throw that away. But I read the manual, I read the manual, and the oleophobic coating actually wears off. Probably, I would say after a year, it'll probably wear out. And, that sucks, but that's unavoidable. The interesting thing is, when you have the Pogo Sketch, I'm trying to look for my Pogo Sketch right now, it's a stylus thing, and I can't find it. It's a stylus that you can use on your iPhone or your iPad, and using that will actually diminish the quality of your oleophobic screen a whole lot faster. And this video is longer than I thought. Well, I guess that's it.